What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Manscaped The Toolbox 4.0 kit. Now before we get started, I do want to give a shout out to Manscaped for sending me this kit over for review. Now it is a complete grooming kit for below the waist, and I do gotta say, out of the box I was actually pretty impressed. First up, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Lawn Mower 4.0 electric trimmer. Now this is the newest and latest in below the waist grooming, and it's the only trimmer that you're really going to need for that type of work. These soft ceramic blades with SkinSafe Technology make it easy and safe to trim. Plus, the extended battery life means that you can trim for up to 90 minutes without worrying about running out of juice. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. Now this is specifically designed to keep your nasal and ear hair looking neat and trim, and it does have a 360-degree rotary dual blade system that makes it a breeze to use. The powerful battery also lasts up to 90 minutes on this, and it does have a waterproof design that also helps with making it easy to clean. Next on the list is the Shears 2.0 kit. Now this is a 4-piece nail kit that is really handy. The tempered stainless steel tools are rust resistant, and the compact leather case makes it easy to keep your nails looking clean on the go. Next, we've got the Plow 2.0, and that is essentially a premium single blade safety razor that gives you a super close and comfortable shave. The precision engineered handle and head make it easy to use, and the display case that it is packaged in makes it a really great gift for either yourself or for anyone else. And last but not least, we've got a bag called the Shed that everything can be held in. Now this is the perfect place to store all of your Manscaped grooming products in between your grooming sessions, and the premium leather design actually makes it both sturdy but also really rugged and stylish. All in all, I think the Manscaped The Toolbox 4.0 is a really great kit for anybody looking to upgrade their grooming game. Now it's got everything that you need all in one place, and the quality of their products really is top notch. But that is pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again real soon.